Hey YouTube, today we're going to be playing the hood and rating as a girl. So let's get the fit. We'll be right back and we'll go to our sponsor of the day. Alright everyone, our sponsor of the day is RVA to Gum. It's free Robux. You just put in your username. No display needed or password. Just put in your username. Then press OK. And there, you're logged in. And then use code DYNAMIC. You have daily rewards. You also have earn earn Robux, referrals, and promo codes. Use promo code Dynamic, and then you have videos and press withdraw, and then put the amount that you have, 7.5 that I have. You enter, and then you need to change your price to the VIP server, and then you have it all inside your account. Now let's get into the video. Alright YouTube, we're back. And you heard the title of the video, rating as a girl in the hood. And wait, on a second, I need to set up my macro. Do you fucking load, motherfucker? I swear to fucking God, if you don't load. Alright, alright, guys, let's go down to Vink. That's where all the pygmies and Barbies are. Hmm. Let's just peek. See one kill right there. Easy stomp. Alright, we're gonna need our revolver. Hmm. Hmm. Can we get an L inside the chat and say how we doing? How we did? That has to be an exploiter. There ain't no way that you can wear a cop skin and in a no fucking avatar out looking like a fucking cop. Damn. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's an exploiter. It's an exploiter. Goddamn. Goddamn. Goddamn God. Why? 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 We're raiding with my friend. Oh wait. We see this bitch. She back. There ain't no way you didn't get food and he had that fucking flame. There ain't no way. There ain't no fucking way. Shut the fuck up, Tony fucking goofy rest of your bitch ass candy rip. Goddamn, that's fucking mean Walker. Goddamn God. Hmm. In this point of the video, I might just do like some other shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Oh my God. My God. At that point, it looks like he's on cocaine. No locking, no locking, no locking. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just another dumb pick me fucking cop. Cops are bitches. Oh, if you're a cop in, yes. Oh my fucking God. This video can only be 15. Oh shit. This video can only be 15 minutes. Sad time in America. This video. Yo, hacker, Keo, this bitch. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah, don't show it. Yeah, don't show it. Shut the fuck up. He doesn't have. Oh my God. I got she back. Oh, oh my, I knew that nigga was exporting. I knew it. I just knew it. I called that shit too. Yeah, no one can say anything. You can't say anything. I called. Goddamn. Get him. Get him. Spoiler, bitch. Yeah, bitch. What the fuck? That shit's cute, your ass. Oh fuck. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, you know what? I done did fucked up. I gotta go crazy in this. Alright, I'm about to go crazy now. Fuck you, stop being so down bad, bro. Fucking arrest. I fucking hate cops. Oh my. Can you please ban cops? Ban the name tag for even cops to be here. Oh my god. I need David. I need David. Oh man. God damn. Let's roll back. Look at all. God damn. Okay, so there's like a bunch of fucking explorers. Mm. Mm. So, dude, can you do something about that fucking shit? Fuck for the explorers. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, I'm right here. You are fucking slow as hell. Person, bro. Oh shit. This explorer will chase me around the whole fucking city. This explorer. Ah! God damn, that explorer made me lag. Damn.